In this video, I will show you how to set up Apple Health on iPhone. First, open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Health Details. From here, just fill out your information like date of birth, sex, height, weight, and blood type. This will help Apple Health track your stats more accurately. After that, go back and tap on Medical ID. Now simply add details like medical conditions, allergies, medications, and your emergency contacts. This is important because it can be used in case of emergencies. Once you're done, all your information will be saved to your profile. Apple Health will now start collecting data from your iPhone, Apple Watch, or any connected fitness apps. And that's how to set up Apple Health on iPhone.